Hi students, today I'm going to walk you through your first assignment for the week, which is the Triangle Factory Fire story and the accompanying assignment that goes with it. So remember that this particular assignment is not due until Wednesday, which means you have Monday and Tuesday to work on this particular assignment. So when you open up the slideshow, you're obviously going to see the video directions first. And then what you're going to see is that I have recorded the story on here for you to listen to. If you prefer to listen to the audio, it's broken into two different videos. So you have video 1 and you have video 2 that will allow you to listen to both of the accounts that you are going to hear on this particular fire. Now, if you're not interested in listening, you would rather just read the text. That should also be attached in your assignment so that you can just open up the PDF and read it if you don't want to listen to it here. After you have listened to the story, your assignment is to use the following slides that have multiple main ideas that are surrounding this story, okay? And then your job is to go in and show us that you can find supporting details that back up those main ideas. Please remember that your responses should be written in complete sentences for each one of your supporting details. So, for instance, you will see here that the central idea will be at the top of each slide. So for instance, the Triangle Factory fire was a dangerous fire trap. You will need to go in and provide us 2 supporting details that support that central idea. This is the same idea for every slide going forward. So I would suggest that before you start reading, that you take a look at all the central ideas that you see here so that you know what you're looking for. Now, if you're more comfortable actually doing this as you read, you're welcome to do that as well. It might even be beneficial for you to print out the main ideas or the central ideas and write them by hand as you are listening if that works better for you. Whatever works best for you, you are welcome to do. If you want to have the main ideas up on one side of your computer screen and the audio up on the other, you're welcome to do that as well. Whatever is going to work best for you. Just remembering that we are looking for either direct quotes from the story, or if you're going to paraphrase it, we ask that you paraphrase it in your own words, but then still provide us either a line number or a page number from where you got that particular quote. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this particular assignment, please make sure that you either email your teacher or you can always meet with them during their Zoom period to ask questions about this particular assignment. Remember that you need to have this done by Wednesday so that you can discuss the story with your classmates. Okay, guys, have fun.